How to change the size of the apps that appear on your home screen and on your app drawer itself, as well as choose whether the labels will be shown, and same for the widgets itself. This is for Samsung phones with One UI 7.0. Let's get started. There's two ways to access the home screen settings, which will take you to the app icon size changer. And this is by long pressing a blank area on the home screen like this here, and you'll see settings down here. So go into that, and once you enter here, that'll take you to the home screen settings. From here now, you'll be able to choose whether the size of the apps will be small, medium, or large. And you can use this image here to get an idea of the difference here. And to show you, if I switch it to the very large one, once I go here, you'll see these apps here. Notice how they are. And if I come back now and I make it smaller, you'll see that they're a bit smaller. So I'll do this quickly for you again. And you'll see how much bigger they are. Now on top of that, you're able to choose the labels itself. So by turning this off and we come back here, there's going to be no labels on any of the apps itself. So it'll show for the app drawer here, but on the home screen, you're not going to see any of these here shown. So coming back here again, we'll come back here and turn this on, and then you'll also get the option for the widget labels as well. Widgets are going to be those that have like the search bar and a few others that you might have on your screen there. And that's how you would go about changing it, like and sub.